What is going on, everybody? In today's video we are going to show you how to make this simple yet beautiful turret tower to add defense to any of your villages or bases you may have in your world. Now, in order to build these guys, you will need at least 3 different sets: the First Order, the Haunted House, and the Emperor Survival. Everything here in my inventory is what you are going to need exactly, starting with 32 wood, 16 glass, 16 granite slab, a stack of 36 granite, and then a full stack of 80 granite, 32 metal plate, 16 durasteel, 1 iron bar, and 1 copper bar. We're going to start with the base over here. Then we're going to grab this 4x16 by 6, placing 2 of those, and then going ahead and adding another corner. Basically just doing that all the way around, forming a square. Now we're going to go ahead and grab this first order wall tapered corner 2A and place them on each corner. Now we can go ahead and grab this Star Killer wall tapered 1A. We're going to place these side by side next to these corners. Next step is grabbing this first order wall tilt 4A. We're going to go ahead and fill up these areas right here. Should be 3 on each side. Now we can go ahead and grab the Star Killer floor 6A. We're going to go ahead and line these up like this, all the way to the corner. You can drop down and you're going to see it's going to hang over slightly. I'm going to go ahead and place one more piece, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side over here. Now we're going to grab the first order floor 5B, place these in the middle. Three of them. Then we're going to go ahead and place those same pieces on the side, 2 of them. Now we're going to go ahead and grab a first order floor 4A, place one of those right in the middle, right there. We're going to go ahead and take the first order floor 4B, place 2 of those right over here. Next, we're going to grab the first order floor 5A, placing 2 right here on these corners, and that will go ahead and complete this part. Now we can go ahead and grab the laser fence corner. We're going to place these on each corner. Next, we're going to grab the laser fence 2, and this will be about 3 on each side. Now we can go ahead and grab the Star Killer Wall 4A. I'm going to go ahead and place it all the way up against the fence and then push it back 4. That'll get us started. Now we can go ahead and grab the First Order Wall 4A. I'm going to place it right up against the wall we just placed down and move it over 2 spaces. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. Now we can go ahead and grab the First Order Wall 1B. We're going to go ahead and place that right here, filling up that empty space, and then 1 on each side of the windows. So it will look like that. And we are going to go ahead and do that on each side. Now that the wall is complete, we're going to go ahead and do that a second time, making it 2 floors. Now we can go ahead and start with our roof. We're going to grab the Haunted Roof Hip 2, place them on each corner. Now we can go ahead and grab the Haunted Ebony Roof 12, filling in these spots over here on the middle. Now we can go ahead and cover our roof with these Haunted Ebony Floor 2 pieces. It will be about 4 of them. Once you get one down, you can just snap them on side by side. That will complete your roof. Now we can finally add our first order turret. Now there's a left side and there's a right side. We are going to be adding both, one on the top and one on the bottom. Now these windows that we placed down have these gray squares that I like to use as a reference point to line them up in the middle. Once we do that, we're going to place them against the red window and then move them over 4 spaces. We are going to do the same thing, but grabbing the other side of the turret and just placing them on below that top one. Now that we placed our turrets on one side of the wall, we can go ahead and do that exact same thing on each side. And you should have 8 turrets total. Okay, the turret tower is almost complete. It looks really good as it is, but we're going to go ahead and add one more thing, and that is this first order double antenna. We're going to place this directly in the middle on top. So all you got to do is just place it in the corner and move it over 7 spaces. And then 7 spaces back. And there you go. You have your first order turret tower. And that is pretty much it, you guys. So I appreciate it if you guys end up watching this video, or if you plan on using this build in your world. You guys are amazing. I will see you in the next one.